a chili beef quesadilla with some refried black beans and some green rice. So for the black beans and our beef filling for our quesadillas, I started with a small onion, a large jalapeno, and a couple of cloves of garlic. You saute those, and when they start to get tender, in this pan, you scoot them off to the side and brown a pound of ground beef for every 4 large quesadillas. In this pan, for our black beans, we're going to add some water to help those onions cook out a little faster, smoky cumin, some Frank's Red Hot cayenne pepper sauce, and a can of black beans. So to the meat, we're going to add a fat palm full of chili powder. Then we're gonna add a little smoked sweet paprika, about a half a palm full. And then we're gonna add about a third a palm full each of coriander and cumin. And just like we did with the beans, we're gonna add a little bit of water and let it cook out until it gets absorbed back into the meat. We're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, we'll make some salsa together right after this. Refried black beans and chili beef quesadillas. So for our beans, we've cooked them down with jalapeno, onion, garlic, cumin, cayenne pepper sauce, salt, and pepper. Now we're gonna throw them in the food processor, I forgot my lime, with the juice of 1 lime. I like just a little bit of vegetable or olive oil. The whole point is to just get the beans crispy on the bottom. We're making pico de gallo. We're making our salsa to put on top. So run your knife through some cilantro. Then we add our tomatoes, our seeded tomato. All of these are, well, naked on one side and uncharred, and the other side has already been cooked or toasted. So to the toasted side, we're going to add some of our chili beef, the cheese, and then you slap that over. So I'm gonna get these guys into the skillet. We've got some working. Come on back, I'll show you how to put this all together. Hey guys, welcome back. So these are beautiful chili beef quesadillas that I'm serving up here. And then to go on top, I take a little of my pico de gallo, put that across. And then to go alongside, we've got our crispy around the edges, spicy black refried beans. Come on, baby, come to mama. And I top that with a little cilantro and a little green onion.